In this video, we'll see how to make eggless churros and a very simple and quick chocolate sauce recipe. Let's get started. Take 1 cup water in a pan. Add 2 teaspoons butter. I'm using salted butter. Keeping the flame low, you need to bring this to a boil. Now add 1 teaspoon sugar. You don't need to add a lot of sugar because we're going to have these churros with chocolate sauce. Now add 3/4 cup maida or all-purpose flour and give it a good mix. At this time, you need to keep the flame low or the temperature of your induction to low. At this stage, you can switch off the flame, switch off your induction, give this a mix so that there are no lumps. This takes a little bit of your energy. If you have a whisk, it would be easier. Now let this mixture cool down and you would notice that it would come together. That is the reason you don't need to cook it a lot, otherwise it would become very stiff and difficult to pipe. Now transfer it to your piping bag, and to pipe the churros you can use any star nozzle you have. In case you do not have any nozzle with you suitable to make churros, you can simply ignore the use of nozzle and pipe the churros directly out of your piping bag. So I've lined this plate with some oil so that it's easy for me to lift the churros. If you want, you can directly pipe these churros in hot oil, but I suggest that you pipe them first. Now at medium hot oil, fry these for a few minutes and then increase the flame, because if you fry these at medium flame for longer period, these wouldn't be soft inside, so these will become crispy throughout. Take the churros out once they turn golden in color and similarly fry rest of them. So these are the churros, crisp on the outside and soft inside. To coat these churros, here I've taken some organic sugar and I'm adding 1 teaspoon powdered sugar to it. You can use caster sugar or you can use the sugar which we have at home, the granular sugar. Grind it to a coarse powder and then use it. You can also add additional 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of cinnamon or dalchini powder. Coat all the churros with sugar like this. The churros are ready. Let's quickly make the sauce. In a microwave safe bowl, take 1/4 cup chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate. Add 2 tablespoons milk. Microwave this for 30 seconds and then give it a good mix. Well, if you do not have chocolate, you can simply use chocolate syrup. If you want, you can warm it a little and use as a dip with your churros. Now to this chocolate and milk mixture, add 1 teaspoon oil. This is refined oil. It will give the chocolate sauce a very nice shine and would not alter the taste at all. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!